Drum roll, please. Hello, everybody. This is Jim. I am with Blue Box Auction Gallery using my manual God-given drumsticks to show you off some of the cool equipment that we have in our upcoming music auction. This has been very popular lately. This is a Tascam Porta Studio, it says. Very popular piece of equipment, actually vintage and really neat. We've got some lighting, we've got some cables, some very simple old school headphones. Let's see, what else over here? We have some record players. This is a your record to a CD. It was very popular a number of years ago, but this one I think has never been used or used very little. And then here's some of our records that we have coming up. Let's see, we've got Tony Bennett's Greatest Hits. There's a whole assortment of different stuff here. A lot of Christmas stuff, a lot of international stuff, just a bunch of different records coming up as well. This is the Star Wars soundtrack and the Space Odyssey 2001. That's going to be pretty neat. What else do we have? Tommy Dorsey and Frank Sinatra, Louis Armstrong, Petula Clark, just a whole bunch of really cool stuff. It's going to be a really fantastic auction. And then speakers. Here's a bunch of speakers that we have coming up for the auction, both vintage and more modern. You can rock the house with these speakers or just play some nice, cool music in your living room as well. Nonetheless, it's going to be a fantastic auction. Come join us. This is on April 9th, coming up very soon. We'll see you then. Take care. Bye.